it's just horrible. Honestly, it's horrible. So now we are just traveling, we are just driving, and of course we don't have his bed, we don't have that dark room. It's not so quiet, it's bouncy because of the road and so on. So during the day baby sleeps in total 3 hours. First he goes to sleep for around 2 hours, and then second time is around 1 hour. He woke up at 8 in the morning, and now it's 3 p.m. He's sleeping for for half an hour, let's say 15 minutes. Okay, he's sleeping for 15 minutes now. So he didn't sleep the whole day. And if we are at home, he would be already done with all those three hours sleep. We're already talking about turning back and going home. And we are going from the Netherlands to Croatia. It's a long drive. But at the moment we are in Germany and we didn't turn to go back, so we will continue, and we hope that he will sleep for at least 1 hour, and then when we stop, we will stop between Frankfurt and a town called Rosenberg. We will sleep for the night somewhere there, and I hope that baby will sleep. This time is way worse than it was when the baby was 2 months old, when we were traveling to Lithuania, because that time we had a schedule of 3 hours. So 1 hour we are like driving, then half an hour we are somewhere walking around and playing, and then eating, changing the nappy, and then sleeping 1 hour, and then we would be repeating the same schedule all the time, and it would work. But this time it's not working anymore. I think in all his life, this trip now is the worst, because he is unhappy, he is angry, and he doesn't have ability to say that. He's just crying, screaming, and doing that weird angle with his back, like when he wants to get out, but he cannot. He has to sit in his chair. So like it's really horrible. I think next year will be way better, because he will be already like almost 2 years old, or around 2 years old, and he will be able to say what's wrong. Maybe he wants to pee, maybe he wants to eat, maybe he wants to stretch his legs or so. So I believe that next time will be way better, but now we still have just to suffer a little bit, and then yeah, we have to survive. We just have to survive. Yeah. I heard from some old couples, very old couples, like parents, yeah, who are in their like 60s, 70s. They say like the best memories of their lives were like when the children were so small and with this kind of a situation. I cannot imagine this is the best memory that we will have, but okay, we will see. So I'm sure that we will remember this travel when the baby is